Hi y'all, it's Mike, and we got back from the lake, and on our way up, we found a snake that I had never seen in real life before. It's a Hognose. And sometimes whenever they're mad, this is it, coloration. Sometimes whenever they're mad, they might flatten their head out like a cobra. And sometimes Hognose, they play dead, and then people will leave them alone because they think they're dead. But we found this one over here, and so they're not poisonous. And I never seen one of these in real life before. Okay, bye. Can you add these up?
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Yeah. He's not gonna play dead.
That's very cool.